Hi, I'm Rick Sellers. I'm at Creekside Audio today working with Wes McCraw. Today we're working on a huge Hasbro project. The voice actors selected for this particular Hasbro project are as follows. We've got Dan Conlon in a dual role as both Bumblebee and as the Mighty Hound. Myself, Rick Sellers, as the voice of Grimlock, the Dinobot, and as the voice of Lockdown. Brad Henderson is the evil Galvatron. Andy Bowyer as the Samurai Warrior Drift. Walt Wise as Crosshairs. And Brian Deal as the voice of the evil twin of Bumblebee, Stinger.
20+ auditions were sent to Hasbro. They selected 6 voice actors to create the voices of 8 Transformers action figures. We'll be recording those over the next few days, and it's a lot of fun, a lot of work. Let's get busy.
Grimlock Crush! Dinobots Roar! Metal Mayhem! I'm ready for more!
Let's go, Autobots! Let's go, Autobots! Let's go, Autobots! We can do this! Follow my lead and stay focused! Let's go blast some Decepticons!
Let's charge ahead! Let's charge ahead!
Dan, give me that one more time. Give me some energy.
Let's charge ahead!
Nice. Thanks.
You are no match for me! I'm better, faster, and stronger! Your best will never be enough! Out with the old, and in with the new! We shall conquer the Autobots. We shall conquer the Autobots. Resistance will be your demise. Resistance will be your demise.
Honor by the blade. All war is deception. Your anger is your first enemy. If we only defend, we lose the war.
Let's charge ahead! Cover me! This hound don't fetch! This hound don't fetch! I'm going in! Heads up!
Target acquired. Locked and loaded. Target acquired. Locked and loaded. Move if you want. I don't miss.
You can't hide from me, Autobots. I will not be stopped. I will make you suffer. I smell your fear.
For this project, we also needed to create sound effects for all 8 Transformers action figures. The effects needed to sound like they came right from the movies.
That's pretty cool.
Yeah.
Let's try another one. Yeah, I like that one a lot.
That sounds like from the film. That's cool.
Wes and I had a fantastic time on this particular project. We love working with Hasbro. We both love toys, and we both love Transformers. Go see Transformers 4: Age of Extinction in theaters now.